Magic Bands? What are these cute little things? What can they do for you, and how do you order them? We highly recommend purchasing Magic Bands because they are super convenient and they make a fun souvenir. But these wristbands do so much more. You can use them as your park ticket, to access lightning lanes, to link photos to your memory maker, to tap to pay for items you purchase, and you can even use them to unlock your door. The Magic Band Plus has additional features that interact with shows and other elements in the parks. Everyone in your family can have one and can even customize them with favorite colors or characters. Here's how to order yours. We find it easiest to order on a desktop. Start by going to mydisneyexperience.com and log in. Once you get to the main page, hover over the top right corner where it says My Disney Experience and you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on My Plans. Scroll down to see your resort reservation information, and in the middle on the right, you'll see Unlock the Magic with Magic Bands. Occasionally there is additional information such as this message about supply issues. Click on the blue link to make your selection. This is going to take you to a page where you can see all the different options for everyone in your party. They have lots of different choices and inventory changes often. If there's not an option you like, you can order from shopdisney.com, but those won't have your name printed inside, and they won't be automatically linked to your account. Next, click the Select button below the person's name, and you'll see lots of options pop up. You can click on them to see both sides, and there's an arrow on the side to allow you to scroll to see all the different options. You can sort by theme, or reset the filter and sort by color. Once you've found one you like, click on that, and you'll see the box populates with the person's name as it appears in the My Disney Experience account. You can change that later, though. Let's say Brad is called B-Rad or Grandpa. You can type whatever name you want to appear on the inside of your band here. Once you've done that, click on Complete, and then it's going to take you back to the page where you can select bands for all people eligible for this particular reservation. You can use Magic Bands from a previous trip if you like. You can also order bands for just part of your party by declining new bands for the people who are not ordering new ones. To do that, click Select for that person, and under their name, you'll see a blue link that says Decline New Magic Band. Keep in mind that once you decline a band or submit your order, you cannot change your mind later. Then click on Decline Pre-Arrival Offer. Now my order is going to be complete because I only had 2 people and I've chosen a Magic Band for Brad and declined one for me. Click Proceed to Checkout to enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. Your bands will be shipped to your home in a few weeks. This process is very similar if you're using the app. Open your app. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see 3 little lines. Click on those, and it's going to take you to another page. Scroll down to Resort Hotel. It's going to load the information about your resort stay. Scroll down a little bit, and you'll see a button that says Choose Magic Bands. Click on that, and it opens the Safari browser on your phone, and you'll need to log in. Once the page has loaded, click on the 3 white lines in the upper left corner. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on My Disney Experience to open another drop-down menu. Click on My Plans. From here, the process is the same as it was on the computer.